Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel and I work for Design Visionaries. It's a design firm here in San Jose and it is a dream come true. Engineering is lovely. I've always loved to build things, but the thing that I love best about engineering in general and being creative is that you get to serve others. You get to create products that benefit people. That's where the rubber meets the road. I've always been taught by my parents, especially my dad was a principal and a captain in the Army Reserves, and my mom was a nurse who became a vice principal. And she said, and he said, that the highest and best thing you could ever be is a servant, a leader, but a servant to others. And so this little exercise I want to devote to my beautiful family, because many of the world's problems as I see them can be solved with love. So here we go. I am going to build a model of a heart, and I'm starting with this little sketch, and what I need to do is put a constraint between the start point and the end point. There we go. I've got to line them up. I'm even going to put a little line segment in there, just like that. And to tweak the curves is kind of an artistic thing, so I like this shape for the heart, just like that. Say okay. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is turn this doodad around, and I'm going to put another sketch on the center. And this sketch is going to be used to force the shape of the heart up and out. And it will come to a sharp point here, just like that. I'm going to raise it. I'm going to tweak the shape the way I'd like. Like that, like that. Just like that. If I were really serious, I'd go to the analysis tool and I would show the curvature of it. And once I have that on, I can edit it and get a real-time reflection of what the curvature is doing. So I can make it smoother and smoother and work on it that way. You see? Typically I want to get rid of these valleys, and I could spend a lot of time doing that. This is close enough, smooth enough for our purposes. So now I've got two curves. Once I've got those curves, I can go to the analysis tool and I can hide the analysis, so I could bring it back at any time. That's nice. And now, since NX is so capable, I'm going to use the through curves command, or the surface, and I'm going to select one single curve that looks like this, and I'm going to add a new section, and I'm going to select this next one. Now, when I do this, I'm going to want to drive the tangency of this one straight down. So hold on, before I do this, I'm going to go to the extrude command, and I'm going to just grab this and extrude it down like this, such that I can go to through curves, and I can select one curve here, add new set, select another curve here, and select this face to force that curve to be nice and smooth on the outside. Say okay, just like that. Well, there you go. I've got 1/4 of my dear heart. Next, I'm going to just hide that little doodad, or you know what I could do is I can delete it actually, so that way it's not even something I have to deal with. And I'm going to do I'm going to go into Home, More, Delete Body, delete the body, say okay. So there we go. Now I'm going to go into More, and I'm going to say Mirror Geometry, and I'm going to select this little half to mirror, Luckily, I started on the coordinate system, or the datum CSIS, so I can apply that. So there's half the heart. I don't like to do things half-heartedly. And so I'm going to go and do another. I know, I couldn't resist the dad jokes. So say okay. And so there, I've got the lobes that are the basis of this heart. Next, I'm going to go into surface and sew them all together into one beautiful solid. Just like that. Okay, it says solid body created. And to check it, I'm going to say Control H. And I'm going to run my little MRI through the heart like that. So you can see it's a solid. It's a pretty bulbous heart. There we have it. Next, I'm going to Control W, and I'm going to hide all the sketches, etc. I'm going to hit to get rid of this coordinate system, I'm just going to hit W. So that's nice. And now I'm going to assign visual materials. I'm going to pick out a nice shiny plastic with a beautiful bright red, fire engine red color. This is opaque red. This is ABS high gloss. Here we go. There we go. And that is a heart that I dedicate to my beautiful family who has supported me all these years. I'm very, very, very fortunate to have the family that I have. And there we are. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video. I hope that you are incredibly loving to your family and your friends, and I hope you're reaching out to as many people as you can and sharing as much positive energy as you possibly can. Thank you very much. Again, this is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries. Please like and subscribe, help the channel grow, and I appreciate all of you users. It's amazing how this channel is growing and how many people appreciate seeing things built and the creativity that this channel is all about. Thank you very much.